Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a quick update on the Natchez that we planted last year. This is going to be our first harvest of these. It looks like they got quite a few green ones on and quite a few red and quite a few that are ready to pick. So let's get down and take a look at these. I had originally purchased 8 Natchez plants, bare root plants, from Pence Nurseries Inc. out of beautiful Arizona. Real nice family. I've talked with the owner on more than one occasion, and they were really helpful to me. They helped me pick out varieties for my area and for the different times. They did a lot, and I really owe Philip, thank you so much for your advice, and these varieties that you suggested, they're working out just fine. So we're going to come down here and take a look-see at the Natchez. Now look at the size of these. When they were green, you know, they're fairly small, and you really don't know what to expect. You can read all the reviews you like, but before you actually grow them, you don't know what you're going to get. And look at what I got here. Now I do drip irrigation and I fertilize twice a year. You know, in the early spring before they break and after they're done producing. So that's what I did, and I've been pumping a lot of water on these. It's been a little dry here, but the other night we got 2.5 inches of rain within about an hour, and we had some washing between the rows. But normally I have the drip lines on. You can see down here. There's drip line on right now. That'll put on about 1 inch of water in 6 hours. So there's a little micro slit every foot, and that just sweeps drip, 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 drip about that speed. And you can see the results we got. Look at this new cane that came up this year. Look at that. It's thicker than my thumb. That's a beaut. And look how dense the leaves are on this. Very tight between the nodes. So this is what we got. I didn't think it was gonna do so well for me because last year it was a little slow to get going, but now this year it's a totally different story. So if you're gonna write a review on a plant or something like that, give it 2 years before you get all bent out of shape that it didn't turn out the way you wanted. And that's what I usually do before I write a review for something. 2 years. And give it a chance. And some things I give 3 years. So these look nice. I mean, look at the size of these berries. These are nothing to laugh at. Those are good sized berries. And I'm going to taste one right now and tell you what I think. Oh my goodness. Oh, the good Lord knew what he was doing when he created the Blackberry. And thanks to people like Dr. John Clark, we have all these new wonderful varieties and cultivars that are just outstanding in flavor and production and holding ability. Just that man, he is my idol. If you don't know who Dr. John Clark is, he developed a lot of these blackberries that we grow today, these Thornless blackberries. And here's another one of his. This is called Primark Freedom. Look at this monster. Look at the size of that fruit. It don't take many of those to fill a till. Now, like you see next to it, that one ain't so nice, but the ones that are, this is not uncommon to have big ones like this. I had just picked most of them, but there's some still in here. Look at these coming in here. Beautiful. And they're delicious too. But anyhow, we were talking about Natchez. Don't let me get ahead of myself. That's a nice cluster of berries right there. I gotta get these picked. And tomorrow these will be sold to a produce dealer or a restaurant in a local auction that we have for the produce growers around here. It's a wholesale auction. It goes to the highest bidder. Sometimes they pay dearly. I'm averaging about $4 a half pint for my berries this year. There was days I got 6, there was days I got 3. So I'm gonna say 4 is average. That's what we've got 4 more times than not. Alright, well, I just wanted to share a little bit of my world with you and tell you what I'm up to here, getting ready to pick these Natchez. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like it. If you're inclined to, I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.